Yeah. Go on, youth, yeah, go on. Ease yourself, just keep it calm, youth, yeah, star. Only pop pressure in my corner. One time it hard to carry on. You no need no girl for turn to, no man for talk to. Feelings hurt, pan the journey so far. Show me know me, we go do things and nobody argue. Me like go the loose and start hold me harder. Cause
Wagwan Success family, hope everyone doing alright. If you're new to the channel, welcome and make sure to subscribe to get all the videos. Like this video so we can continue to drop more contents like this. People, like up the video and share the video and comment. You see me, I give you the latest. You see me, nobody else now post this before me. I tell you that. You see me, so right now we have the preview of Vybz Kartel and Valiant. You see me, and Valiant make you know say yo, some different girls are call him, but at the same time Vybz Kartel make you know say yo, them say time heals, but she still can't see her life without him. You see me, so we're gonna make you check out the preview right now. Vybz Kartel featuring Valiant, Time Heals.
Different color, they say time heals. She can see her life without me, she's so blind still.
Alright, so that was the preview. Only just wait for the real song, for the real hit song just released between Vybz Kartel and Valiant. We are wait for that one, yeah. You see me? And remember say, you know, it no matter any relationship where you're going with these girls nowadays, and them are gonna break your heart, them are gonna do some things, and you might diss them, and that might cause a relationship to break apart. But at the same time, we have to hold it as a man. I don't know if you just know say yo, I just saw the thing set and nobody try if you go do some little S word type of thing. You see me? And go dirt on oneself. No, on the wallet, because time heals and time heals all pain. Don't waste no time for subscribe, don't waste no time for comment, don't waste no time for share the video, and don't waste no time for turn on the post notification for when we're gonna review this song when it drop. You see me? If you make it to the end of this video, thanks for the likes, thanks for the subscribe, thanks for the comments, thanks for the shares. As always, I'm out.